All right, boys, we got a crazy video for you today. A lot of dumb purchases out here. We got the 2 Funkos at one time, which is crazy. This is Cameron's new Funko. He's finally coming out here to rip. It is his second time ripping it though. It's not a shelf queen. And anyway, he's got a lot of cool mods done to it. Look at his silver wheels. Wow. He's got realism mods on his LS motor here. Wow. And he has the wide XRT kit on here as well. Wow. So we're gonna see how it performs versus mine. And he's running a high-speed gear. I'm still bone stock. So let's get into this. Woo! There's nothing better than just ripping them. Open field. Oh yeah. Some little slap wheelies. You just gotta believe in it. Yeah, good old slap wheelies. The on-stock guarantee still do just fine. Have you ever put a GPS on it yet? Oh, white girl can still flip. I got it. I got myself on that one. Woo! That's a good one.
That was payback for all those times.
That's fair, that's fair. You finally have the equipment to do it back. I mean, that was terrible, but it took it. There you go, that's a good hopper. Good slap wheelie. No! Nice, booty heavy. Definitely booty heavy like a real one. Oh yeah. I thought I was hitting the pole. Love to see him getting dirty. Yeah, yours looks really good with the wide on there.
Yeah, I like it.
I mean, as you guys see here, it is a little bit wider. I'll bump mine up. Ah, got myself. I mean, there's the difference right there. You got maybe an inch. Looks pretty good. All right, you ready?
It's lower too because your spoiler's going above mine.
True, it does sit lower. I mean, you are on a hill. All right, you ready? All right, let's see what that high gearing's all about. Let's go over here. I want to see if you just walked me. You should. Go. Well, I think we were both not full throttle there. Yeah, got it. We were both trying to keep the front end down.
Kind of up towards that curve, and you can.
All right, let's go try it. Oh, you can't even see him. I can't even see him. Oh yeah, this is a good spot. Oh dude, yeah, yours is still pulling wheelies like they're at the top end. I can tell a difference if I don't get on it early. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, you caught me on that one. Oh yeah, riding the wheelie the whole time. Yeah, Cameron ripped his brakes out of his just like everybody says you need to, but he ripped his totally out. How long can you ride a wheelie?
Just depends.
Man, it does look sexy with that wide booty on there. Woo! Throwing rocks all the way back here. There we go. Oh no. Oh no. Big crash. Woo! No! Pepper myself. That was a good one. Oh! There she goes. End over end. What are you guys thinking so far? How you liking these? I love them. Ah! It's got a rock bath. Dead? High speed suck it down that fast? Jeez, man.
Yeah. And it has a light kit, so I'm running the whip lights right now and the underglows are on.
Fair enough.
I've got the fronts turned off, but still running it.
Don't tell me stock Traxxas batteries outlasted you.
These are smaller than Traxxas. These are only 6,300.
Okay. So I got like maybe 2. Just kidding, I got like 5 more minutes. Let's go break this thing then. I'm gonna try that step up right there. Barely. We gotta wear this step up back down. Okay. Well, we took out something down there. Maybe it makes it easier launch this time. Oh my God! Something down there is hurting. We have not been hitting this enough. The moles are getting to it. Oh! 3 fails in a row. Just want to kill these batteries. Landed right on the bent axle, but we got it. I'll bend it back to place. Look at that axle there, buds. A little wonky. Ah! Heck no. Hit that thing again. Did it? Oh yeah, right here. It did mess up my bead lock. Little plastic job. I tried to go for something different. I'm gonna go try to kill her over here on the sand hill.
That was temp, because now it's fine.
Yeah, that's weird. I bet it was temp. Mine just died. Yeah, let her rip there, bud. Stick mod. No, don't slide off the hill. Looks pretty good with the lights on there, sir.
Yeah, not bad, not bad, not bad.
They did pretty good today. No breakages as usual. The 2-wheel drive overpriced 8S. They can still do as much as you want them to, just not backflip.
Nope, no backflip.